Hi, this is Machinery Consultants. Thank you for viewing this video on our Doall 36-inch vertical bandsaw. It is a model 3613-2, serial number 121-58156. The throat depth is 36, height underguide is 30. It has 2 speed ranges going from 50 up to 1600 feet per minute. It has a blade welder over here. Looks beautiful. It's in very fine condition and we did purchase it from storage. We are going to let you listen to it.
Obviously, it's variable speed as we speak. It has 2 ranges. We are now in low as opposed to low and high. It is now at about 200 surface foot per minute. Pardon me, it was at about 70 surface foot per minute, and now it's at about 200.
Okay, 200. Switching it into the high range.
Now we're in high. We're at about 400 surface foot per minute. And we're going to have it 1,000 surface.
Nice.
That's good. Sounds good, runs good, feels good.
Sounds very good. I hope you can hear the sound on the video clearly.
One second, I want to show you one more thing.
Okay.
Is it off?
No. Oh wow, look at that. Clean as a whistle.
Clean as a whistle.
As they like to say.
Boy, I
That's
lost
beautiful.
my false teeth on that one.
It's in great condition. If we can help you with any questions or if you want to inspect, we're 5 minutes from the airport. Phone number here, Machinery Consultants, is 801-531-9500. Thanks again.